Welcome to this breakdown of how the over and under digit trading bot works on Deriv. In this video, I explain the logic behind a fully automated system that trades digit contracts using real-time tick data, probability bias analysis, and strict rule-based execution. The bot operates across 3 different Deriv markets, with a fixed entry digit of 6. All bots demonstrated in this video are available at derivbits.rf.gd. At the core of the system is a configurable analysis digit. This digit acts as a pivot point for evaluating market bias. Digits below the analysis value are classified as under, while digits above it are classified as over. The bot continuously tracks these digit frequencies in real time and displays the probability bias visually on the dashboard. This bias does not force a trade. Instead, it provides statistical context to support disciplined decision-making. Trade execution is completely rule-based. First, the bot waits for a specific entry digit to appear in the market. Once the entry digit is detected and there is no active trade, the bot immediately places either a digit over or digit under contract. Trade duration is measured in ticks, not time. And only one trade is allowed at any moment to prevent overlapping positions. Risk management is built directly into the system. The bot uses a fixed base stake, with an optional Martingale multiplier applied only after losses. After a winning trade, the stake automatically resets. Global take profit and stop loss levels are enforced, allowing the bot to stop trading automatically when limits are reached. After every completed contract, the profit curve and detailed trade logs are updated in real time. The system supports multiple volatility indices, live account authorization, balance synchronization, and session-based account switching. Once all conditions are met, trades are executed automatically, removing emotional decision